Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Lauren, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your worst slimes the best slimes. So let's get started. Let me just go get my ingredients, and then we'll get started. Alright, so the things you'll need to make your worst slime the best slime is some hand sanitizer, some aloe vera. If you don't know what that is, I think that you could find that one Dixie. I don't know, but you could probably search it up on eBay or Amazon. But this is how it looks like, and it like helps you with your sunburns. But yeah, we are not in the summer, so we don't have to worry about that yet. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your slimes that are kind of hard to stretch, like this one. This one doesn't stretch that well, but it's like super soft. So should I plug you guys on my selfie stick? Pink. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna close this up, and I'm definitely taking this to Disney. Of course I am. There's like no way I will not take this to Disney to get the best shots ever. And I will be recording my videos that week. I'm staying there for an entire week. This one doesn't stretch that well, so let's make it better. And it's gonna smell really good. So let's add like 3 pumps of hand sanitizer to it, and then start to mix it up, and it will make your hands smell really good. So be sure you mix it up and give it a massage. Well, I guess a fake one. Alright, let's give it a massage, a nice one. It's kind of sticky. Don't worry, you could just always add some activator to it. Look at this. It's getting stretchier now. Oh my gosh, look at that. But it's getting so stretchy. I love it. Make sure you get every tiny little piece of it. Now let's add some aloe vera gel to it. I'm running low on it, so Monday there's no school, yay! I can make videos all day and make slime all day. This is oh my gosh! I just hit my hand so much, and then it hurt. Okay. Oh. I have to do this quickly because I'm going to sleep now. Yeah, it's coming out. I love making videos. Can I like try to get that out? Okay, so we have that. It's like really clear. Try to mix it up now. And then that's literally all you need for it. Alright, so let's just mix it up. It's going to be sticky for a little bit, but then it's going to go back to normal. It's just going to go completely back to normal. No, seriously, it will, because it is not that stretchy, but then when you like add the hand sanitizer, it's going to get really sticky, but now it's not. Look. So yeah. Getting so much better. I guess the aloe vera gel works a bit more than the hand sanitizer. The hand sanitizer just works for like a couple seconds and then just go back to its normal self. So yeah. I feel like this is great for like the indoors, but like a bit too childish for me because I'm almost 11 years old. Yeah? Okay, so I have to hurry this up. Alright guys, so at least you know what to do. Just like try to add a lot of this, I guess. Not a lot, but like 3 scoops of it and 3 pumps 3 pumps of this, and see you guys next time. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the like button if you guys like this slime. I actually really like this slime. Comment down below if this worked for you guys, because it did work for me. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!